What if I told you that a simple drink could transform your health overnight? Imagine unlocking the secrets of nature's most powerful ingredients, blended into a single glass that defies conventional wisdom. From skyrocketing energy levels to unexpected healing properties, these green potions hold mysteries that scientists are only beginning to understand. But beware, not everything green is as healthy as it seems. Discover the truth behind the smoothie revolution and why millions are rethinking their morning routines. Want to know which celebrity-approved drink might be secretly harming you? Hit subscribe now to uncover the full story. In bustling urban centers worldwide, a quiet revolution brews in every juice bar and cafe. The green smoothie phenomenon has transcended mere trend status to become a lifestyle movement embraced by health enthusiasts and busy professionals alike. These emerald elixirs first emerged from California's wellness scene, where nutritionists sought innovative ways to deliver maximum nutrients in minimal time. What started as simple kale-spinach concoctions evolved into sophisticated blends incorporating exotic superfoods like spirulina, matcha, and camu berries. Modern life's relentless pace demands efficient nutrition solutions, and green smoothies answer this call perfectly. Unlike traditional salads or vegetable dishes, these drinks require no chewing, digest quickly, and can be consumed on the go. The convenience factor alone propelled their popularity, but deeper reasons drive their sustained success. As environmental awareness grows, more people seek plant-based options that align with sustainable living principles. Each sip represents not just personal health choices, but also ecological responsibility. Social media platforms burst with vibrant images of these verdant beverages, creating a digital community united by shared health goals. Influencers showcase elaborate recipes while fitness gurus demonstrate their muscle-building capabilities, fueling the movement's momentum. Yet beneath this surface appeal lies a complex world of nutritional science and biochemical interactions that researchers continue unraveling daily. When examining the molecular composition of popular green smoothies, one discovers an intricate dance of vitamins, minerals, and phytonutrients working in harmony. Spinach contributes iron and vitamin K, essential for blood health and bone density, while banana adds potassium crucial for heart function. Avocado's healthy fats enhance nutrient absorption, particularly of fat-soluble vitamins A, D, E, and K. This synergy creates what nutritionists term a nutrient multiplier effect, where the whole becomes greater than the sum of its parts. Recent studies reveal how chlorophyll-rich components interact with digestive enzymes, potentially improving gut health beyond basic fiber content. The addition of herbs like parsley or cilantro introduces detoxifying compounds that bind with heavy metals, aiding natural cleansing processes. However, timing and combination matter significantly. Certain nutrient pairings enhance absorption, such as vitamin C-rich fruits boosting iron uptake from leafy greens. Conversely, improper combinations can inhibit benefits. Calcium supplements, for instance, might block iron absorption when consumed simultaneously with certain greens. Temperature also plays a role. Room temperature smoothies preserve enzyme activity better than chilled versions, though the latter might feel more refreshing. Understanding these biochemical relationships transforms simple blending into precision nutrition, allowing individuals to target specific health goals through carefully crafted recipes. While mainstream narratives predominantly celebrate green smoothies' benefits, emerging research highlights potential drawbacks warranting attention. Excessive consumption of certain ingredients, like spinach or beet greens, can lead to kidney stone formation due to high oxalate content. Similarly, over-reliance on trendy additions like matcha might cause liver stress in sensitive individuals. The body's natural detoxification systems, though robust, can become overwhelmed by concentrated doses of otherwise beneficial compounds. Commercial pre-made options often contain hidden sugars or preservatives that negate their health value. Even homemade versions might prove problematic if prepared improperly. Storing cut fruits too long before blending allows oxidation that degrades nutrient quality. Moreover, some popular recipes combine ingredients that compete for absorption pathways, effectively canceling each other's benefits. For example, mixing calcium-rich kale with iron-dense spinach might create competition for mineral transport channels in the digestive tract. Certain medical conditions, like hypothyroidism, require careful consideration of cruciferous vegetable content. Pregnant women must monitor their intake of raw leafy greens due to potential bacteria risks. These complexities underscore the importance of personalized approaches rather than blanket recommendations. Moderation emerges as the key principle, alongside informed ingredient selection based on individual health profiles and needs. Creating an optimal green smoothie involves both art and science, balancing flavor profiles with nutritional requirements while considering personal preferences and health goals. Start with a base of mild greens like romaine lettuce or baby spinach, gradually incorporating stronger flavored options like arugula or dandelion greens as your palate adjusts. Select fruits strategically. Choose antioxidant-rich berries over high-glycemic tropical fruits if managing blood sugar levels. Incorporate healthy fats through avocado or chia seeds, which not only enhance satiety but also boost nutrient absorption. Consider adding adaptogenic herbs like ashwagandha or maca root for stress support, or turmeric with black pepper for anti-inflammatory benefits. Liquid choice matters too. Unsweetened almond milk provides fewer calories than coconut water, while green tea offers additional antioxidants. Blend order affects texture. Start with liquids, then add soft ingredients, finishing with frozen elements for optimal consistency. Rotate ingredients regularly to prevent nutrient deficiencies and maintain interest. Track your body's responses to different combinations, adjusting as needed. Remember that seasonal availability impacts both flavor and nutrient density. Embrace local produce at its peak. Most importantly, view your smoothie practice as an evolving journey rather than a rigid formula, adapting to changing needs and new discoveries in nutritional science. Join our growing community of health-conscious explorers by subscribing to our channel, where we'll continue unveiling nature's secrets, one sip at a time.